Good day, everyone. My name is Dapp. I'm currently a student of Web3 Bridge. I'm currently learning about blockchain development and writing of smart contracts in general. This is my week 7 review. That's what we actually did in the past week here. So if you have been following this series, welcome to week 7. Now in week 7 we focus on front end. Yeah, you might be asking, how does front end relate to smart contracts and the rest? Hold on, I'll try to break everything down to you guys. Now, you know that after writing your smart contract here and deploying it on a blockchain, now users are going to actually need to interact with your smart contract that has been deployed to the blockchain. Yeah, now you actually need an interface, a very, very simple interface, easy to use, in such a way that users would be able to carry out some transactions on the blockchain. Now, this front end is somehow similar to let's say something like the interface of, let's give an example as Facebook. But then in our own case now, our interface will be used to interact with our smart contract that has been deployed to our blockchain. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. So now, building an interface, man, is very, very easy. It's not hard at all. You just need HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But then we slightly move advanced. By advanced, I mean that we're actually using React. Now, what is React? React is a JavaScript framework that is used to build web applications. Don't worry, I'm going to do this later on. Now, we use React. We also use a CSS framework known as Tailwind. Tailwind is just like Bootstrap, Material, EU, and the rest. It's just used to design our front end, to give it colors and the rest. Then we also use Rainbow Kit and Wagmi. So I'm going to show you guys what I try to build within the week. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I try to build within the week. So just stick with me. Now let's start with with React, guys. React is a JavaScript library used for building user interfaces. Now, React is the most common library that is used for building user interfaces. After React is Vue also. It was Facebook company that actually founded React. If you want to know more about React, just go to their documentation here and read more about React and the rest. It might even surprise you to know that the Facebook that you see is being built with React. Like literally everything, all this search button is a React component. This home, this watch, this a marketplace, literally everything here is being handled by React and the rest. Then one of the tools that we used again, it was wagmi. As you can see, wagmi is a collection of React hooks containing everything you need to start working with Ethereum. That you can use wagmi to connect your wallet. So if you want to instantiate wagmi now, you can just do npm install or wagmi ethers and the rest. So literally everything, if you want to know more about this wagmi, it is also here. Then we also use Rainbow Kit. Now Rainbow Kit is actually a React library. Like we use it in combination with our React to design our front end. Let's dive into this Rainbow a bit.
And in this video we're going to talk a bit about Rainbow Kit, go over some of its key features, and also understand a little bit more about what makes Rainbow Kit so great for users and for developers. When you add Rainbow Kit to your website, you'll see a connect wallet button that looks like this. Users can click on it to get to the connection dialog, where they can choose a wallet to connect with. Alternatively, they can learn a bit more about what is a wallet and how to get one. In this case, we're going to connect using Rainbow. I will scan this QR code using the Rainbow app. And once we're connected, the connect wallet button disappears. And what you see is a button for switching chains, along with another button that shows the user's balance, a resolved ENS name, resolved avatar, and another dialog where you can copy your address and disconnect. If you were to connect again, your most recently used wallet is now in a new group called recent instead of popular. So that's quite nice. Let's connect with MetaMask to see how that looks. I'll select my wallet, and here we go. If the connected address doesn't have an ENS name, we'll show the truncated address here. And if it doesn't have an avatar, we'll show a fallback. The easiest way to get started with Rainbow Kit is to use our Create Rainbow Kit CLI. That will set up a Next.js application that you can use as a foundation for your project or just to try it out. The Rainbow Kit UI is responsive right out of the box, and that ensures that even mobile users will get a native-like experience. By default, the Connect Wallet button will say Connect Wallet, but we can change that using the label prop of the Connect button component. If you've set up Rainbow Kit to use multiple chains, you'll see this chain status button, where it shows the icon and the name. You can configure this button to only show the name, or just the icon, or even hide it altogether. By default, the account button shows the balance and the account status. We can customize these things as well. So if you want to hide the balance, you can use the show balance prop. And to customize the account status, we can use the account status prop. So that allows us to only show the avatar, or only show the address. We also expose a component called connect button.custom, and this is useful in the case of where you want to render your own button with your own sales styles. The Rainbow Kit wallet list is completely customizable as well, so you have full control over the wallets to display, as well as which order to display them in, and finally, how to group them. Another great feature of Rainbow Kit is theming. That allows you to tweak the Rainbow Kit UI to match your brand's look and feel. Rainbow Kit already ships with a few different color modes, accent colors, and border radius configurations that you can just pick from. So that wraps up a little demo for today. I hope you enjoyed it. You can learn more about Rainbow Kit on rainbowkit.com, and on there you'll find links to the documentation as well that will give you more details about all our APIs, and also links to the GitHub repo where you can start discussion and chat with us if you have any issues. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.
So yeah, that is a brief summary about this Rainbow Kit. Just go to their documentation there and read everything. So this was my code. First thing first, I wanted to create a token, that's Scarface token Dapp. That's the decentralized app for my token. So this was the token this was the smart contract that I wrote here. As you can see, like, I inherited Open Zeppelin contract. I've already spoken about this Open Zeppelin in my I think week 3 or 4 video. So please go and read it up. Owner decimal Scarface. The token name is Scarface token. The token symbol is SFT. Everything is here. Literally everything is set. So I deployed this contract on the testnet blockchain remix here. On the testnet blockchain remix here. So this was my deployed contract. As you can see, this was the contract address of the Scarface token here. Look at the token tracker, Scarface token, the symbol FST. So you will now use this contract address in my decentralized application. Let's go. I used it here. Look at it here. This is my token contract. As you can see, address token ABI. This token ABI, I actually inherited it from a verified ERC20 token online. Since ERC20, all of them follow the same pattern here. I can use its transfer functions and almost all the functions if I don't have it, like my token also. So that's what you can do. So this was my this was literally everything on my interface. Yeah, I wanted to read from the contract. All these things, they are from Rainbow. They are from Rainbow. So just sorry, okay. They are from Wagmi. They are from Wagmi. I imported everything from Wagmi here. Look at from line 3. Import this account, this contra read. Use contra read is when you want to read only one function. While use contra read is when you want to read multiple functions. Yeah, as you can see, I use contra read on line 30. Use contra read. I wanted to read only one function only. But if I close here, if you can see line 42, use contra read. I wanted to read like multiple functions, name, decimals, and symbol. Literally everything is here. Look at my Tailwind CSS configuration tweets here. Tailwind CSS configuration tweets here. Now you will make sure that you must have wrapped your wagmi configuration and your Rainbow Kit provider in your app.jsx. If you notice, I actually wrapped everything in my app.jsx because it's this app.jsx that will be displayed in our local machine. So if you run npm start, let's run npm start. Once you run it, yeah, something like this will definitely pop out. Yeah, this is the interface that I'm talking about, Scarface token Dapp. Now let's connect our wallet and see. Good. this is my contract address. I don't currently have this token, but the name is Cafe's token. The total supply is 10 million. Is the exact thing that we have here. This was my contract here, so it's very easy to create your Dapp, then interact with your blockchain, like with the help of wagmi and Rainbow Kit. So guys, this was what I was able to do in week 7. Yeah, so yeah, that's just it for now. So I was very like excited actually, like building that stuff, you understand, like because you know that after writing a smart contract, you know that an ordinary person now will not really know how to interact with our smart contracts and because interacting with smart contracts in your VS Code and remix and the rest is actually what works under the hood, you understand. So you need to give users a very slick and simple interface that they can use to interact with these smart contracts, like on the blockchain, you understand. So in our week 8 we'll be diving more into building more front ends and the rest, you understand. So just like, let's say, stick around please, understand, because this week, like, you'll be seeing slick interfaces, like very mad stuff. When I mean mad, like mad stuff. So guys, if you love this video, if at all you enjoy my content and the rest, please like it, like comment on it, and again, and most importantly, share it to your friends. It's very important, like it's very important. See you guys in next week. Bye.